Good morning and welcome to the 2016 Veterans Day Assembly. Morton East? Yes. Morton East is honored to have guests from the town of Cicero here today. We feel proud and humbled to honor United States veterans at this assembly last week on Veterans Day and every day of the week.
Now, we would like to introduce our veterans that are here today and those who could not be here today, visiting from the town of Cicero, and board staff member veterans. George C. Duty, the Army; Adrian M. Del Toro Higgins, Army National Guard; Isaias Ahumada, Army; Brian Como Pasek, Army; Private Rose Davis, Army; Pedro Cullen, Army; Private Janera Thurman, Army. Family members who served: Leonard Judge, Korean War; Joe Zalewski, World War II; Raymond Francis Luns, World War II; Raymond Joseph Luns, Army and Illinois National Guard; Thomas Doherty, Jesse Valmares, World War II; Danny Fivick, Marines; Colonel Mike Kyburn, United States Air Force; and Herman Mendez, Army.
Many of us are veterans. We will support the mission of our uniformed brothers and sisters. All of us are Americans. We will honor our nation's warriors here at home and support their families while they fight for us abroad. We are brothers. We will never put ourselves above our mission. We will never allow personal considerations of any kind to interfere with the honorable and dignified performance of our mission.
The Morton East Band and Choir would like to now recognize the 5 branches of the military. Each branch has their own song. Before each song, I will announce the branch the song represents. Please feel free to stand if you have a family member in that branch of service we are recognizing. Army.
Can you tell us a little bit about today's event?
Today we had the 2016 Veterans Assembly, and I think it turned out pretty well, thanks to our community members and our veterans that were here today.
Can I get your names, please?
My name is Ron Konopasek.
Frank Aguilar.
All right, can you tell us a little bit about your organization?
The organization is Warriors Watch Riders. We are not a military group, but we are a patriotic group. And everybody is volunteers. And we're here for one thing, that's to support and honor our veterans and active service.
Can you tell us a little bit about today's ceremony?
Today's ceremony went really well. A lot of planning in it. We wanted to shock the students, and we accomplished that. It was something that they'd never seen.
What impact do you think this had on students?
I think our students are very patriotic. I think that they like having the opportunity to celebrate their country, and I think most of them know veterans. So I think a lot of times this assembly in particular, can be emotional, and so I think that I think it's nice to take a break and recognize our freedoms. Don't come free.